Good day, everyone. I am Mark Leonel Moreno Cardenas Jr., a proud member of the Federation of Nabuteño, an organization committed to justice, dignity, and prosperity for all workers. Today, I stand before you to advocate for one of the most fundamental rights of workers, the right to a living wage. According to the Labor Code of the Philippines, or the Presidential Decree 442, every worker must receive wage that meet legal standards, but a true living wage goes beyond the minimum. It ensures that workers can support themselves and their families with food, shelter, education, and healthcare. Sadly, many Filipino workers still struggle to survive despite working long hours. Rising cost of living often leaves families short. Imagine a parent working 12 hours a day but still unable to afford nutritious meal for their children. That is not just unfair, it is unjust. A living wage benefits not only workers but also businesses and society. When workers are paid fairly, they are healthier, more productive, and more motivated. This strengthens our economy and builds more stronger communities. We must act now. Support organization fighting for fair wage. Share this message with your friends and family. Demand policies that ensure every worker earns enough to live with dignity. Together, we can build Philippines where no worker is left behind. Workers' rights are human rights. Let's fight for them together. Thank you.